Hi everyone, welcome to Cloud Computing series, and today we'll be learning about virtual infrastructures. See, virtual infrastructures means creating and managing a virtual versions of a physical resources like a servers, storage and networks. Instead of using a multiple physical machines, virtualization allows a multiple virtual machines to run on a single physical server, improving efficiency, cost saving and flexibility in IT management. See, this diagram shows how data center costs and server installations have changed over time from 1996 to 2013. See, y-axis at left side represents the total spending on data centers, including server costs, power and cooling and management expenses. Then y-axis at right side, millions of servers shows the number of servers installed over time. Then x-axis displays the timeline from 1996 to 2013. See, this gray color represents a server spending, which is the cost of purchasing physical servers. Then orange color represents management cost, which include a maintenance and operational expenses. Then this green color represents a power and cooling expenses, which indicate the cost of running and keeping servers cool. Yes, then this red line represents the growth of logical servers, which increase due to virtualization. This shaded area shows the difference between the number of physical and logical servers, highlighting the impact of a virtualization in improving efficiency. See, before 2005, companies had to buy more physical servers to handle more work. Then after 2005, virtualization allowed them to increase the computing power without buying a new physical servers and reducing costs and improving efficiency. The physical resources like a servers, storage, and networking at the bottom of figure are shared among a multiple virtual machines at the top. These virtual machines run different applications, ensuring efficient resource use and flexibility. The next is, see, normally a computer's hardware and a software are tightly connected. Virtualization allows a software to run independently of the physical machine, so it can move or be reconfigured easily. The next is, virtual infrastructure is what connects the resources to distributed applications. That means a virtual infrastructure is like a bridge that links hardware to the applications that need them. The next point is, it is a dynamic mapping of system resources to specific applications. That means resources are not fixed to one machine. They can be reassigned based on the application's needs, ensuring a better performance. So the result is a decreased costs and increased efficiency and responsiveness. Means instead of buying many separate machines, virtualization lets you use fewer machines more efficiently and reducing costs and improving speed. Then next is virtualization for a server consolidation and a containment is a good example of this. Means instead of having a many underused servers, virtualization combines multiple workloads into fewer servers, making them work better and use less power. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insights on cloud computing, and also check out our playlist for more in-depth topics. See you in the next video.